Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. One thing is, in trading, the bigger picture is everything. If you are looking at one time frame, you are missing a big move. This is where top-down analysis comes in. That is using multiple time frame to find the best trading setup with price action. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do a top-down analysis with pure price action. No indicator, just price action. Okay, so I'll see you guys after the intro. Okay, so now you are on my screen and this is my computer screen. Okay, so as a trader, that is a price action trader, your job is to determine where the move will be heading to. Okay, so now price is actually here. Your job is to predict, is it coming down or it is going up? And the prediction of price at the right direction will make you make money. Okay, and one thing is, if you are trading a naked price action, the candlestick that you are seeing right here, it talks a lot. It speaks to us. You just have to listen. All right. So now I am in the weekly time frame. And in the weekly time frame, that means that this candle that you are seeing right here is just a candle that was formed in a particular week. Okay. So the whole of this week is this candle. Last week was this candle. Last 2 weeks was this candle. Okay. So no matter the time frame that you are in, that is representing the candlestick that you are seeing. Okay. So if I move to the daily time frame, that is in a single day, it is only this candle that is trying to complete. Okay, this is yesterday's candle. This is last 3 days candle. That is 27th. All right. So now the time frame that you are in will determine the candlestick that you are seeing. Okay. So this is just a chipping. If you are a price action trader, ICT trader, or SMC trader, your job is to find out where you're gonna get in on the move and make money. Okay, so as a price action trader, we're gonna be using support and resistance, trend lines, and everything together, Fibonacci retracement to get your move. All right, so now ask yourself these 3 questions. What is the trend direction? That is question number 1. Question number 2, inside this trend that you are seeing, which area are you gonna enter the trade? Question number 2. And question number 3, what should you see before you place your trade? That is question number 3. Okay, so now for you to find the trade that you are in, question number 1 is, what is the trend direction? Okay, and asking yourself that question, you know that when it comes to trading, we have 3 stages the market go through. We have the bullish stage, that is when price is creating higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Okay, and we have when price is creating lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Okay, that is another stage of the market. And we have when price is consolidating like this. Okay, that is also another stage of the market. So now, in order to find the trend direction, you need to look out for these 3 stages and ask yourself, which state is the market in? So looking at the chart right now, what is the state that the market is in? The market is obviously in this state. That is the bearish stage. Okay, the bearish stage. So now we find the trend direction to be bearish. Price is dropping to the downside, creating lower highs and lower lows. So that is the first thing you need to identify. Okay, so let's find our trends around. So I'm gonna go ahead and mark this area here, this key area here. Mark this key area here. Okay, why am I marking this area? Okay, because that place is a key area of support. Okay, price has been reacting to that place multiple times. Looking at this place, we have a reaction around here before a push up. Price pushed to the downside, came back, reacted, pushed to the downside, came back, reacted, pushed to the downside. Okay, and our price is going to the top there. All right, so we concluded that price is in a downtrend, but you can see this place, price is consolidating. Okay, so we need to find a shape to this market move. So now you need to find another support right here. So now we need to find another support right here. And clearly you can see the reaction of price. That is actually consolidation. Okay, price is moving from here to here, here to here, and now it's targeting here. Okay, So that is actually the move of price right now. So you can see that we are in a downtrend, but we are consolidating at this phase. Okay. So the next thing is, where are you gonna get in on the trade? Sorry. The next thing is, where are you gonna get in on that trade? That is what you have to ask yourself. Okay. So now we had a push and a retracement, and I said that the candlestick is talking a lot to us. So you just need to listen. Look at the candlestick that was forming around this place. We're having a strong bullish candle. You can see this candle, strong bullish engulfing candle. By the way, subscribe to the channel. Comment down below if you have any question. Okay. And we have this strong bullish candles. And anytime price push up, there's always a retracement. Okay. If there's a push up like this, price needs to retrace down, push up, retrace down, push up, and retrace down. Okay. So after every massive push, there has to be a retracement. All right. So I'm going to go to the lower time frame. And now we find out, we can see this is a massive push. Now we are having a retracement. Okay. Before the another push. So let's go to the smaller time frame. And this is the immediate lower time frame. All right. So you looking at your left side, we have a multiple reaction of price around this place, And now we can draw something around there. There has been a multiple reaction around this place. So we draw our zone, key support zone. Okay. That's what we call support. Anytime price is above, it is supporting it. If the price is above here, it is supporting. If price is below, it is resisting it. Okay. So we draw our support. And if price comes back to the support, like this, then we look out for trade entry. All right. So now let's see the reaction of price around this place, because we know that price is heading to this side. So we are trying to find a move to get into that side. So now that's what we need to do. So what you can do next is you can also bring your Fibonacci retracement and measure the push from here to here to know that where this trend is pushing to. So it's going to be something like this. Fibonacci from where the push started to where price got to before the retracement. So we measure from there, put that place, and you can see the 50% zone and the 61% zone is the zone which is likely for price to continue the move. All right. So now let's look out for the reaction of price in the zone. Okay, so now we have this bullish engulfing candle. Okay, so this is a confirmation candle for entry. So you're going to place your trade right here. Your stop loss should be below somewhere here. Okay, then you target the high that price is going. That is the overall high that price is going. This is the high price is going. You target that high. Okay, so that is how to trade with price action. And we will see how this trade will play out. So mostly price will actually come and have a proper retest. You can see let me take the Fibonacci out. You can see we are not having a proper retest. When you go to the line chart, price is hanging. Okay, price is hanging. There should be a proper retest on the support before they move. So let's see whether we're going to have that proper support, that proper retest. Right, you see price comes back to the support zone. Okay, so we are going to see whether we're going to have proper retest around here before they move to the upside. Okay, so let me take this two from there. Okay, so as I told you guys that the candlestick talks to us a lot. You just need to listen. Look at this candlestick that was formed there. Okay, we have this indecision candle 1, indecision candle 2, then this bullish engulfing candle. Okay, so this is a confirmation for a very, very big trade entry. Indecision 1, indecision 2, and then bullish engulfing. So this is a trade entry confirmation for us to take this trade. And then your take profit will be here. Your stop loss should be below the candles. And this is how the trade should be. So take profit just hit right here. Okay, take profit hit. All right, so that is how to determine, then that is how to do your analysis with price action. Okay, we need to listen to the candles. The candlesticks, they speak to us. You need to listen to the candlesticks. Watch what is happening in the zone and watch what is happening with price, okay, before you judge with your analysis or whatever. Don't bring your emotions or anything in the market. You keep on losing. Respond to the movement of price, and that is how you trade, okay? Subscribe to the channel, guys, and I will see you guys in my next video.